This is the BBC Home Service.
Look here. I'll buy you a diamond ring, my friend, if it makes you feel all right. I'll get you anything, my friend, if it makes you feel all right.
But I don't care too much for money. Money can't buy me love.
Yeah.
I'm talking about the blues now. I ain't talking about monkey junk.
I'm just as blue as I can be since Susie said goodbye to me. My life is a failure, I see, and she won't be my gal no more, no more, no more. I'll pack my things in a grip, take me a long ocean trip, out on a great big steamship. She'll never see her daddy no more, no more. Still, I hate to say farewell to my mammy and my sister Nell. They're sure gonna cry when I tell I ain't coming home no more, no more. Oh, perhaps I'll be sorry someday that I leave here and go away. But you need not ask me to stay, 'cause I'll never change my mind no more, no more. Now whether I'm right or wrong, I'm gonna be gone before long, and then I'll hush this crazy song. I never will sing no more, no more. Oh, lady, be a lady. Oh, lady, oh, lady. Oh,
Tommy Duncan with Never No Mo Blues, opening up this week's edition of Downhome with me, Howling Dick. Tommy was originally with the legendary Texas Playboys, but in 1949 was fired by Bob Wills and went on to form his own group, the Western All-Stars. There they were there. They only had one hit, and that was Gambling Polka Dot Blues, which was on this show a couple of weeks ago, and which reached the dizzy heights of number 8 on the Billboard Country Chart. Well, a couple of acts that were hits on last week's show are making a fast return to the porch. First up, here are the primitive blues specialists Lonesome Shack, and this is Head Holes.
Tripping on long limbs and head holes. Go ahead on.
night was dark, the moon was black. 4 large men tried to put me on my back. I'm a peaceful man till you mess with my blues. Look out, ma, look like another case of Elmo's blues. I don't want no trouble, they did not understand. They pushed me to the wall, they said, look here, man, we want your money and that chicken leg in your bag. I said, oh no, ma, looks like Elmo's blues tonight. The push began to shove, the shove began to push. The push began to alley, now that way too much. Boys, could you let me go home? Look out, ma, look like another case of Elmo's blues on the run. The situation was, but they didn't want no record and they didn't want no toys. So we want your money, kid, or that chicken leg in your bag. I say, fat chance, boys, get out your blaze. I'm ready, cats. The push began to shove, the shove began to push. The push began to alley, now that's way too much. Boys, when I get through with you, whoa, look out, my, look like another case of elbow blues. Now move over here and let me give these boys some elbow action. With my chicken leg, I don't want nobody messing with my chicken legs. Yeah, when I get home, I want my chicken legs. I want it crispy, I want it crunchy, I want it funky, and most of all, my hottest barbecue sauce. I walk all the way to Detroit, Michigan. I don't want nobody messing with my chicken leg. Oh, Elmo!
Oh yes, well, last week I promised you if you were good boys and girls I'd play some more Catfish Hodge for you. Well, you were good boys and girls and you didn't disappoint me, so I didn't disappoint you, hopefully. And what you got there was Elmo's Blues off of Catfish's electric album, Eyewitness Blues. And now, if you go to his website, he offers to share some of his Catfish stories with you. Problem is, he admits that he's forgotten them all. Well, you've got to love him, haven't you? Now, we're here on the porch are big fans of Ike Turner, who wasn't much of a man apparently, but was a great musician and a wonderful producer. These are a couple of tracks displaying his credentials on both. This is Ike with his Kings of Rhythm and I'm Lonesome Baby.